Is the 2026 Mahindra Scorpio N the new king of SUVs?
Welcome to AutoVibe, your hub for bold reviews and future-ready automotive content. Today, we dive into the beast everyone's talking about, the 2026 Mahindra Scorpio N. With major upgrades in power, tech, and rugged capability, this model might just redefine the SUV segment.
Stay till the end to see whether the 2026 Scorpio N truly lives up to the hype. Design and road presence.
The 2026 Scorpio N arrives with a more muscular stance, sharper LED lighting, and a refreshed grille that gives it a commanding road presence.
The updated aerodynamics add a premium touch while keeping the rugged Scorpio DNA intact.
Mahindra has clearly focused on merging toughness with modern styling.
Interior and features.
Inside, the 2026 model offers a more refined and spacious cabin. Expect a larger touchscreen interface, wireless connectivity, improved ventilation, and soft-touch materials across the dashboard. The new layout focuses on comfort, while added safety features and ADAS enhancements make it one of the smartest SUVs in its class.
Performance and engine.
Mahindra continues to offer both petrol and diesel options, but with upgraded tuning for better efficiency and torque delivery.
The suspension has been re-engineered for a smoother drive, and the improved 4x4 system ensures the Scorpio N remains a true off-road warrior.
Whether it's city cruising or rough terrains, this SUV promises a confident performance.
Final verdict.
The 2026 Mahindra Scorpio N blends bold styling, advanced tech, and reliable performance, making it a strong contender for the top spot in its segment. If you're looking for power, presence, and practicality, this SUV might be the ultimate package. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to AutoVibe for more future vehicle insights.